हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू स्टेनो स्पीड। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं ग्राम लॉग्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकली अरेंज जो होते हैं। ठीक है, सारे ग्राम लॉग्स लगभग। तो ग्राम लॉग्स विल बी स्टार्ट इन 5 सेकेंड। बी रेडी। ए एन अकॉर्ड अकॉर्डिंग advantage all and any are as out a balance b because being behalf believed beyond building but called cannot cared cheered child circumstance called come could dear delivered delivery deliverance different difficult do doctor during a equaled first for from generally generalization gentlemen given go gold great guard had hand has have he him himself his our how however important impossible improved improvement in influenced information inscribed inscription instruction instructive is it itself justification language large largely larger liberty lord me member mayor more most Mr. much myself near next northern number numbered, o, off, on, opinion, opportunity, ought, our, ourselves, over, owing, on, particular, people, pleasure, principal, principally, put, quite, rather, remark, remarked, remember, remembered, satisfaction, school, schooled, selfish, selfishness, sent, several, sell, salt, short, should, significance, significant, signification, signify, signified, southern, speak, special, specially, spirit, subject, subjected, subjection, subjective, sure, surprise, surprised, tell, thank, thanked, that, the, their, them, themselves, their, therefore, thing, think, third, this, those, thought, thus, they, self, till, to be, told, to, toward, towards, trade, tried, truth, to, under, usual, usually, valuation, very, was, we, what, when, whether, which, who, whose, why, wish, wished, with, within, without, wonder, wonderful, wonderly, word, would, writer, yard, year, you, young, योर। तो ये ग्राम लॉग्स हो गए हमारे सारे आज अल्फ़ाबेटिकली। तो इनकी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें क्योंकि ग्राम लॉग्स ही मेनली 70% होते हैं एक डिक्टेशन में। ओके, थैंक यू।